Hello, my name is Yolima Grajales Quintero. I am 38 years old. I was born in Palmira, Valle del Cauca. I am married to Omar, my husband. I live with him and my two sons, Brian and Julian. At the moment, Brian is in the Marine, studying, and Julian is at school, and he loves to skate. My husband is a policeman, and he was recently ascended. I have a very busy life because I work and I study at the same time. I am a secretary at Ingenio Providencia, and I love my job because I get to interact with different people. I also study administration at the University UNAD, and I love my career because I get to learn various things that I can use in my daily life and I can use in my future. Although my life is a very busy life, I always find the time to travel because I like it very much. I prefer to travel with my family rather than alone. Recently, I went to Coveñas to visit my son, Brian. I went with my husband, my little boy, Julian, and my mother, Gloria. We stayed there 1 week, and I liked it because it was cheap. I paid 150,000 pesos per person. I liked it there because we could visit the beach and because I was able to finally see my son after 6 months. It is hard to say goodbye because I don't know when I am going to be able to see him again. But I had to come back to work. Coveñas is a very warm place because it is located at sea level. Nevertheless, in the afternoon it is very windy and it is very satisfying to walk on the beach in the afternoon. Coveñas is a lovely place because the weather is perfect to enjoy the beach and it is a great place to really enjoy nature. You can go to Ciénaga and have a ride on a boat, or you can go to the Caimanera where you can see native animals and enjoy nature while you are on a canoe. My recommendations for the trip is that you take comfortable and light clothes. It is important that you hydrate constantly because it is very hot over there. Last but not least, it is a good idea to plan your trip with time so you can go not only to the touristic places but meet the community and enjoy with them. So this is it. Here you can see the poster, and I recommend that you enjoy the beach because it is very awesome over there. You must windsurf because the wind there is perfect to do that sport. And as I said, it is important important that you hydrate constantly because it is very hot over there. Plan your trip with time, remember, and live the experience. Thank you. Bye.